new drawing capabilities have been added for aiding the user on generating drawings for the tunnels that have been created as TBMs with Universal Tapered Ring. As new options that we have introduced, we have the settings dialog for drawings. This will give you access on defining, customizing the way that you want to create the objects on different levels, to assign text styles, to assign dimensions. So once you are doing this setting, this will be applicable for every drawing that you will create using the following two commands that we will showcase. We'll start first with UTR unfolded view. We are asked to locate the tunnel. And basically the tool will create for the user an unfolded view of the internal faces of the rings, external, or we can do both of them superimposed. Let's choose, in our case, internal, and we'll go on the next input field, and that's the ring sequence. This ring sequence do not represent the layout of the rings on how they have been laid down on the tunnel model. This is an input field where the user can specify the sequence of the rings that he would like to unfold. This means that this ring sequence represents a position. So we know position 1, when let's say we have the key at the top of the ring. I would like to see how this links maybe with position 3, maybe with position 8, 4, 5, so on and so forth. So this is an input field for the user. We'll go back here and just say 3, 4, 6. I would also like to add annotations. So I would like to know what lining part is this one, what's the number of this one, what's the number of this one, so on and so forth. I would also like to add some dimensions, and I would also like to draw the rotation matrix in a tabular way. Let's create drawing. We'll accept the input. The drawing will already be placed on a sheet. We can go and modify that. We can change the locations of the objects, arrange them. And now we can see the annotations, position P1, position P3. We can see how we have unfolded each surface from the rings. We have added dimensions. And if the user does not like the way that we have placed dimensions, or he has another way of doing things, at the generation time, just uncheck the add dimension, and those dimensions can be added later by the user manually. We'll go back to the 3D model and we'll have a look on our second command. And this is drawing the ring positions. We have the option to draw all ring positions, and these positions are defined by the number of dowels that have been used when we have created the tunnel. We can say we want to draw all positions, or if we want specific positions, we can input here the values. Let's say we want all of them. I would like to add annotations. I would like to add dimensions also. And for draw faces, we have 3 options. We will draw only the front face, only the rear face, or we can draw them both and superimpose the data. I will choose front face only. I will locate the tunnel. and all the positions will be drawn for me automatically. I can inspect the output. We can add additional dimensions, annotations. So all of this is customizable after the creation of the drawings.